This is a room tour of the TownePlace Suites in Oak Creek, Wisconsin, which is a southern suburb of Milwaukee, south of the airport. First thing I noticed, this is a brand new property. She said it opened about 3 months ago. It's in a master planned new little town that's all new. There's a bunch of restaurants and shops and stuff within walking distance. Notice this hallway. The hallway's walls are different colors. And I don't know if that's to help you just remember which side of the hall your room is on. I've never seen that before. But anyway, we are in room 326 on the 3rd floor. We're near the end of the hall, which is what I usually request because I like to be away from the elevators. Okay, this is a TownePlace Suites. There is a kitchen here with a fridge, a sink, a dishwasher, a 2-burner stovetop, a microwave. There are dishes and glasses and cups, and that's it. And really nice modern, there's a garbage disposal. There's like an electrical box here. There's some hooks up here. There's a big closet here with a luggage rack, an ironing board, an iron, some shelves, extra bedding, a drawer, more hangers, so you can hang stuff like high and low. And then there's a coffee maker, toaster, like coffee and salt and pepper and stuff. There's silverware in the drawers. There's more dishes, Pyrex and stuff. So you could like be here a while and be plenty comfortable. Over here there's a table, which I think this is on wheels. This pulls out. There's like a desk lamp here. Now the kids are already in here, so there's Ben and Megan sitting on the couch. This pulls out into a hide-a-bed. We did again end up, just like last night at the Hampton Inn in Manitowoc, we ended up with the king bed, sofa bed configuration. We asked if we could upgrade to something with 2 beds, but they are full. So, but it's only 3 months old, so we're hoping that tonight's sofa bed will be more comfortable than last night for Ben. Yep. There is a big mirror over here. And here, let me show you out the window so you can see what I'm talking about. This whole little place that we're at here is like brand new. It's like a mix of retail and residential. There's like this little town square over here with a clock tower and a little plaza. And there's all like apartments and restaurants and all sorts of stuff. We saw a cupcake shop across the street that we're going to check out. There's a nice patio area down there with really nice furniture and a fire pit. There's a pool down there. The lobby was very nice as well. And then we have a big full-length mirror here. The TV was on when we came into the room. King bed with, again, nightstands on either side. We have the Bible and the Book of Mormon. And yeah, and when we came in, the remote was standing up like that, which we thought was interesting. Anything over here? Leftover newspaper TV listings. And then the bathroom. Ooh. Again, a Morgan-approved door that closes. Look at that. Smallish sink area, but nice mirror. And toilet and a glass shower. This is weird. That's it. There's nothing here. I guess it's a walk-in shower that I don't know, I feel like water's gonna get out of there, but maybe that's just me. Anyway, so yeah. So this is the TownePlace Suites in Oak Creek, Wisconsin, south of Milwaukee. It's very nice. And that's it. Safe travels, everybody. Okay, I have to amend the room tour here at the TownePlace Suites. Megan just opened up the sofa bed for Ben, and Ben and I are sitting on the big bed, the king bed, and now the sofa bed is basically touching the big bed. So basically, there's no way to walk from this side of the room to this side of the room, and we're all just sleeping in one giant bed.
Crawl over the bed.
That is one thing I noticed. You have to crawl over the bed to get to the other side. That is one thing I noticed after I was making the tour before, that this room is not big. It's very small. And that wonderful patio I showed you with the fire pit earlier out the window here, yeah, not so great. Can you hear the screaming children? There's a group down there, a large group, and they've got the fire pit going, and they have the doors to the pool wide open, and they're basically running in and out and screaming. And I just called and asked if there was any other rooms available, and they said no, that the only other rooms available were on the first floor, which is where that entire group is staying. So yeah, I'm a little miffed. She did say quiet hours start at 10, but I spent 5 hours driving in the car today, and I'm really tired, and I want to go to bed now. So I don't really want to wait till 10 for them to be quiet. So there are some